Hey there, Hannah, Steven, Logan, my online learners for the year. Maybe not the full year, hopefully. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a kind of a quick rundown of um, what's going on in our Warrior ELA right here. Okay, so everything reading is going to be in this class right here, okay? So that ELA stands for English Language Arts. Okay, so that entails quite a bit. But let's go ahead and click on that one real quick. Okay, I scheduled some work for you guys. So part of this is going to be our phonics. Okay, and our phonics, we just click on the assignment there. And this is what's going to pop up for you guys. Okay, so all you'll do is you'll come up here to present. Okay, and whenever you see a play button, it's a video. Okay, so you just click on that for the video. And then this is just what we're introducing for our target skill in phonics. Okay, and then these you can actually do. Okay, so it says tap and read each word, then build each word with the tiles. So you tap on it, fit. Whoops, didn't mean to click there. Fit, mad, job. Okay, and then you would just build each word with the tiles. So after you say fit, you would take a tile, darn it, you would take a tile and build it. I guess you can't be in present mode when you do it, but so you see how I'm doing that? Okay, so that's kind of what our phonics is going to look like. Okay, and as you keep going through, there's another video. Okay, and here's our digraphs. And you'll just go through each lesson like that, okay? This one you would drag the blue line under each digraph, like so, okay? Alright, so that is what our phonics looks like. Now when you get done with that, you would just go back to your warrior class and you'll have a spot over here that says turn in. I made a copy for each of you, so you just go ahead and click turn in, and then when you're finished, and then that's finished with, okay? And then every week we'll have some journeys lessons, okay? We aren't going to dive real deep into this yet, but we're going to at least introduce it, and we're going to have our stories for the week and some of our grammar and vocabulary and things like that. But same thing, you'd click on the assignment. Okay, so this is what we call our target skills, and this is our focus wall. Okay, so this is all the things we would like to focus on for the week. Okay, now like I said, some of that stuff like the phonics we're doing in a different subject, but you know, as for our spelling words and our vocabulary, our grammar, our writing, we do a little bit off from this. Then our sight words, okay, and then we have our story. So make sure you guys are, when you're in class, you're paying careful attention to what I'm assigning, okay? So, or if Hannah, like you're gonna watch the video, so it's not gonna all be due in one day. All right, you don't have to go through all these slides in one day. But the ones you do go through, the ones that I assign, are going to deal with everything that's on this page here. Okay, so that first slide, it's going to be your story, and it'll read aloud to you. Okay, I couldn't send the books home with you guys, so sorry you couldn't read it on your own, but you have it here. Okay, then our next page, we've got our different phonics sounds and our spelling words that the rule is going over. Okay, so the first week it would be the short vowel sounds A, I. Okay, then our next one, we've got our strategy, which is alphabetical order. Then we have our grammar portion, our vocabulary, sight words, our writing, and then just a bunch of other Henry and Mudge books here. Okay, so going through that should give you a good idea of what you're going to be seeing every week in the ELA portion of our Google Classroom. Okay, now I also added one more classroom, and it's for your guys' benefit, and I hope this makes it easy. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come into second grade Warrior weekly assignments. Okay, this will go day by day, so you guys will know exactly what you need to turn in for that day. Okay, now those are the things that I need to see every day when I'm checking it. It all needs to be turned into me by the time that you know everybody else leaves school, so that we're all on the same page. But it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna see this is just Monday. Okay, so we're going to be going over introduction and expectations to our pathways, which is our phonics. Okay, and there's no assignment you need to turn in for that. ELA, which is in Google Classroom there. And it's not Warrior Reading, it's Warrior ELA, so I need to change that. Okay, so you're going to watch parts of a book video. When you're done with that, you just click Turn In. And then Math, it's Module 1, Lesson 1. Okay, so Google Classroom again, Warrior Math. You're going to click on Lesson 1, and you're going to complete that Zern, and then you're going to actually complete Lesson 1 Sprint and Exit ticket on your hard copies. Okay, and then iStation, you guys will log on to that. You'll work on that for 25 minutes. And then we're going to start with our narrative baseline in writing. So it's going to be, you can either write it or you can type it. Okay, if you write it, I need it in your Warrior folder to turn in on Friday. If you type it, you can just type it on Google Docs and then turn it in from there. Okay, so it's a story that's happened to you, anything that's happened to you. First time you rode a bike, your first birthday that you remember, anything like that. Okay, discovery time, we're going to be in Google Classroom again, Warrior Science, and then the assignment is going to be how do scientists know so much, and that's in there, so it's a video, and most of the time there will be questions, but I don't think on this one we have any questions. And then the final thing is just keyboarding, and that's in your apps, and it's called Typing Club, and you guys move at your own pace there. Okay, so your parents, if they're keeping a good eye on you for Typing Club, they'll know exactly where you need to be and what you need to be working on through that. So what level. Anyway, so all the others I can keep a close eye on from my side, except for Typing Club. Typing Club doesn't allow me to access any of your progress, but if your parents are keeping a close eye on it, they'll be able to tell. Okay, but everything else I've got access to, and I can tell what we're struggling with and what we're doing really well with, and we can move from there. All right. Well, hey guys, let's have a great week. I'm excited to see y'all again. And everybody, have a great night.